Previous cases dealing with COVID and religious freedom, the court was letting government slap restrictions on places of worship. But now it appears Amy Coney Barrett has solidified a constitutionalist majority. In a 5-4 ruling, the justices declared, even in a pandemic, the Constitution cannot be put away and forgotten. The court ruled New York's tight restrictions on attendance at religious services strike at the very heart of the First Amendment's guarantee of religious liberty. Justice Neil Gorsuch railed against Governor Andrew Cuomo's rules that find so many secular activities essential and religious activities not so. Gorsuch wrote, "The governor is remarkably frank about this. In his judgment, laundry and liquor, travel and tools are all essential, while traditional religious exercises are not. That is exactly the kind of discrimination the First Amendment forbids." On Fox News, leading podcaster Allie Beth Stuckey commented,
"What we saw in the case of Cuomo is that he was discriminating against these religious institutions in a way that he was not discriminating against secular institutions like bike shops and other places."
First Amendment rights are much more powerful than the right for somebody to shop.
Among those who disagreed with the ruling, Chief Justice John Roberts. In dissenting, Roberts wrote, "It is a significant matter to override determinations made by public health officials." The New York Times' Paul Krugman tweeted, "The first major decision from the Trump-packed court, and naturally, it will kill people." And Cuomo poo-pooed the ruling, saying he's already lightened the restrictions, at least for now.
It's irrelevant from any practical impact.
Evangelist Franklin Graham noted President Trump's influence in remaking the court and protecting religious freedom, tweeting, "I'm thankful for President Trump's appointment of 3 conservative SCOTUS justices who ruled in favor of churches and against government overreach in the state of New York." Now it'll be interesting to see if this new majority also sides with churches in California and New Jersey who are appealing to the court for relief from strict COVID restrictions. This ruling for churches and against New York's governor has given some relief to religious conservatives. They're worried a possible Biden administration could threaten their religious liberties on a number of fronts. They're a little more hopeful now that at least the U.S. Supreme Court will be on their side. Paul Strand, CBN News, reporting from the Supreme Court.